It's CURLBOX time! Woo, it's been a minute since I've done one of these. I am back with another CURLBOX unboxing video. This month is September. Is it just me or is 2021 flying by? It's crazy. But this is the September 2021 CURLBOX. For those of you that don't know, CURLBOX is a monthly curly hair subscription wherein we receive a box of curated curly hair goodies, full-size curly hair goodies, and the price of the box is $25 and it's $5 for the shipping, so that's $30 altogether. This month's box is from the JC Penny Salon. I don't know about y'all, but I knew that JC Penny had a salon, but I've never been there myself. According to this little leaflet that we received in the box, they have a whole host of services that they offer. I figured they have, you can get a haircut, you can get your hair washed and all that, but they actually have natural/textured styling services as well. If they do not specify that it's for natural hair, I don't trust it. So that's good that they have these here. Like, they offer Bantu knots and stuff like that. The paper for this box has the JC Penny Salon logo on it, so I thought that was a nice touch. Also, this box is a different color. I don't know if it's because of the collaboration with JC Penny or if this is just gonna be the new color of the box. I'm here for it either way. All right. Let's get into the products. That's why you're here. So this box does not have a shampoo or a conditioner. So I'm just gonna jump in with the deep conditioner. So we have the Twist by Weedad. This is the Sunday Feels Deep Hydrating Hair Mask, which we know also means deep conditioner. Smells pretty good. This is what it looks like. Y'all know I love a deep conditioner, so I'm excited for this. I've never tried any products. I don't think I've tried any products from Weedad, so I'm excited. We also received a foaming curl primer from Nourish and Shine. This is described as basically a foam leave-in. Maybe I'll do a flexi rod set using this. We also received their Boss Bounce, a light as air buildable styling cream. This smells good too. It's very thick. You can tell it's very, very thick. Here for it. Now we have the Almond and Avocado Daily Curl Revitalizer. This is from Design Essentials. I have a video featuring products from this line. I did a wash and go. If you haven't seen it, I will link that up above in the cards as well as down below in the description. So check that one out. Okay, we have a Kenra Moisturizing Oil. This is described as a hydrating oil that can also be used to protect your hair before heat styling. So if you're gonna flat iron your hair or wand curl your hair or curl and iron your hair, you always wanna make sure you use a heat protectant. So this claims to be one. Last but not least, we have two oils from Crayola Essence. This is the Rosemary blend, and this is the original blend. That's about it for this brief CURLBOX unboxing video. Be on the lookout for my review video on this month's products. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, then click that button down below and subscribe. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. I post natural hair tutorials and product reviews. This is the point in the video where I like to point your attention to some of my other content, like my CURLBOX unboxing playlist and my CURLBOX review playlist. I love you for watching. Y'all please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.